Hello and welcome, health enthusiasts, to another episode on our channel, VitalGlow Life. Here, we bring you valuable insights into the world of health and wellness, and today is no exception. We're about to embark on a journey into the fascinating realm of plant protein. From common sources to the less known ones, we'll explore them all and discover how they can help us lead a healthier, more vibrant life. So stay with us as we dive into the world of plant protein and its incredible benefits for your health. You might ask, what exactly is plant protein? Well, let's dive right into it. Plant protein is quite simply protein that comes from plants. Yes, you heard right, plants. This includes a wide variety of sources such as beans, lentils, nuts, and even whole grains. These power-packed foods do more than just fill your belly. They deliver essential amino acids, the building blocks of protein that your body needs to function optimally. And guess what? They do it without the saturated fats and cholesterol found in animal sources of protein. Plant protein is a fantastic alternative to animal protein, especially for those who follow a vegetarian or vegan diet. But even if you're an omnivore, incorporating more plant proteins into your diet can provide a host of health benefits. So now that we know what plant protein is, let's explore why it's so beneficial to our health. Plant protein does more than just fuel your body. It can actually improve your health in numerous ways. Let's start with its role in weight management. Plant proteins are typically low in saturated fats and high in fiber, which can help you feel fuller for longer. This feeling of satiety can curb overeating and snacking between meals, aiding in weight loss and overall weight management. Now let's move to the heart. Consuming plant proteins can lead to lower levels of LDL cholesterol. That's the bad cholesterol, and higher levels of HDL cholesterol, the good one. This balance is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. But that's not all. Plant proteins are also packed with essential nutrients. They're rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are vital for the body's overall well-being. They help strengthen the immune system, promote healthy skin and hair, and even aid in the prevention of certain types of cancer. And did you know that plant proteins are easier to digest? Unlike animal proteins, they don't put as much strain on your digestive system. This can lead to better gut health and less bloating. Let's not forget about blood pressure. Studies have shown that a diet high in plant proteins can help lower blood pressure levels. This is especially important as high blood pressure can lead to a number of serious health conditions, including heart disease and stroke. Lastly, consuming plant proteins can reduce the risk of certain diseases. Research suggests that a diet high in plant proteins can lower the risk of developing conditions like type 2 diabetes, certain cancers, and even Alzheimer's disease. So, whether you're a health enthusiast or just someone looking to improve their diet, incorporating more plant protein could offer a multitude of health benefits. As you can see, plant protein is a powerhouse of health benefits. Making the switch could be one of the best decisions you make for your health. We hope you found today's topic enlightening and useful. Plant proteins are not just for vegetarians or vegans, they're for everyone. So why not incorporate more of these nutritional powerhouses into your meals? If you've already taken this step, we'd love to hear about your experiences. The comments section is always open for your interesting stories, tips, and suggestions. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to VitalGlow Life. Stay healthy and keep glowing until we meet again in our next episode.